Hey everyone, welcome to the PDNob channel. Have you ever found yourself needing to whip up a proposal, a research brief, or a project report in a hurry? Gemini's ability to generate documents can now handle the heavy lifting for you. Let me show you exactly how to do it. First, open Gemini and select your mode. I highly recommend Gemini Pro. This mode is incredibly smart and can handle complex, multi-step creative tasks in a single go. Besides choosing the right mode, prompt techniques are also very important. Here are 3 commonly used prompt templates. You can find these templates in the description below. For office use, you can generate formal weekly reports with standard business layouts. For students, it can create structured, easy-to-review lecture notes. And for deeper research, it can build professional reports with clear academic logic and data analysis. For example, let's enter a prompt to generate a weekly report. Write a formal weekly work report. Include sections for work completed this week, ongoing projects, and my plan for next week. Keep the tone professional, use a clean office layout, and export it as a PDF. Within seconds, Gemini generates a complete, well-structured report. All you have to do is download it. As you can see, the document is visually clean, organized, and ready to go. It's a fantastic tool for quickly creating professional reports without having to start from a blank page. Now, sometimes you might need more control over the specific details. If you want a document where you can adjust the content and fine-tune every single sentence, let me show you how that works. First, select the Canvas mode and enter your prompt to generate a draft. The beauty of Canvas is its flexibility. You don't have to settle for the first draft. You can simply select any part of the text and ask Gemini to modify it, whether you want to change the tone, add more detail, or rewrite a specific section entirely. Once your content is perfect, click the Share button in the top right and choose Export to Doc. This opens up even more possibilities, as you can jump into the Google Doc to make your own manual final touches. From there, it's easy to finalize your file. Just go to File, select Download, and choose PDF document. This gives you a high-quality PDF that has been precisely edited and polished to your exact liking. Whether you need a quick one-click generation or a highly customized collaborative draft, Gemini makes the professional document process seamless. If this video helped you learn how to create and export PDFs in Gemini, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.